It's time to order our supplies for the September Cuties. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and it is actually present day. I received my gift from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, our sponsor for the Cuties. We're doing the July through December series. If you haven't already joined in for August and July, we're going to start on September next. You'll need the CD booklet like always, and I think this is the one for September. I'm pretty excited. So let's see what's in our package from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So we have, oh, I was right. All right, that is the September one. How cute is that? So all of these pretty fabrics come from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. You will get the entire set, everything you need, including embellishments, which I can see that there's some twine and some felt. I'm not sure what else. I haven't opened it yet, but this is available from our sponsor. So I will add a link here, purchase directly from our sponsor, and you have a coupon code for our group. So for the Cristin Creates group, our coupon code is Cristin Sep Cutie. So CRISTINSEPCUTIE. That is our coupon code for our group. So when you purchase from that link above, then you will be able to put in that coupon code to get your discount for the group. So I will add information. I'm not going to start prepping or anything until the last week of August. We'll take a break from our current project and we will work on our September Cuties. So I will add underneath this video, I will take out all the fabrics and match them up against my threads to see what thread colors that I want to use. I will include that in the description below the video notes. You will also need your project batting and the light mesh cutaway. That's what we use in our hoop, and the fusible backing for the fabrics. And I will do a prep video. Actually, I can just tell you right now. So don't prep your binding fabric or your backing fabric. Cut your borders a little bit bigger, like 1.5 inches, 2 inches longer. I'll go over more of that, but anyway, for now, just get your orders in to get your September Cuties. Like I said, we're going to start the last week of August, and let's go ahead and get started with ordering and getting prepared so that we're ready at the last week of August when we start our project together. Hey everyone, now that we are in the July through December book of our Cuties table toppers, I just want to show you quickly all the information that is underneath the video, since our other one is from last December. So open up any web browser and go to Cristin Creates on YouTube. From there, you can see all the videos. And I also want to point out, here's the playlist tab, and the playlist tab makes it so that you can see all of the certain projects that we have worked on. All right, any project that you're looking for a tutorial on, look in here for the specific project, including the Embrilliance Essentials tutorials. If you click on View Full Playlist down here at the bottom, a lot of people that are new to Embrilliance, we have a ton, like 114 videos. So if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see the newer videos when we were just learning ourselves. And it also has information on how to do the wording and to move things around and how to import your files to Embrilliance for the fonts and such. So all of that information. So back to the Cristin Creates page. So right here, you can open up any video. So let's look for one that is from our Cuties. So here's our last Cuties when we did the ending of the June. So if you just click on one of the Cuties videos, and like I said, you can also do it from the playlist. Either way will work fine. But from here, underneath the video, So it's running an ad right here, and it will look a little different because I'm the owner of it. You won't have all of this information, but underneath the video, it's going to, let's see, right here. Oh, it's still running. This is a long ad, my goodness. So underneath the video, you can see that it says, click here to see links below the video. And then it starts to say, join the fun in our group project. And there's the video right here. I'm on a computer. So when I say under the video, I just mean under the video, right under here on a computer. On a phone, it's there's like an arrow on the right, I believe, and you click that and it has all the video description. So it's called a video description under the video. And so right here, see, it starts to tell you about the stuff that's under the video, and then it says show more. So click show more and look at all the information that I have included under every video for you. All right, it has all of the links. It has the information about upcoming projects. It has our current affiliate link for our sponsor for our Cuties project. It has our coupon code and where to get the quilting bundle. All of that information, and then other supplies that people ask me about, of like the packets to organize your fabrics. All of that information is right below there. It's also got our affiliate link for Embrilliance Essentials. I am an affiliate with Embrilliance Essentials, and I'm teaching a lot of Embrilliance on most every video. And then next up, we have what's coming up next, which is our Falling for Autumn, and the glide thread colors are always listed. All the information. I also include information about my shirts. I'm not wearing an embroidered shirt at the moment, but when I do, I include that information because I get a lot of questions about that. So all this information is under the video. So whenever I say under the video, it's literally just click that show more button and you'll see underneath the video all the information. All right, and then if you are in the market for Embrilliance Essentials, I'm going to be showing that a lot. So here's the Embrilliance Essentials link right here. Click on that blue link. It brings you to Embrilliance Essentials, and what it brings you to Embrilliance. And the program that I use is Essentials, the basic one. So right here, Product Essentials, or you can get it from the store. Either one of these goes to the same. It will take you to Embrilliance Essentials. You add it to your cart. There's no other information that you need to do. You just need to click on my link that is underneath the video, or add it in yourself. Either way, it's embrilliance.com/jam-affiliates/Cristin Creates. And that will put a little cookie on your computer saying that you are supporting Cristin Creates with your purchase. And you can get any of the items here. If you're into digitizing, you can do Stitch Artist. The Enthusiast program is the next one after Essentials that has a little bit more abilities, and that Thumbnailer. A lot of people love Thumbnailer. I haven't tried that yet, but that's here as well. So lots of things there underneath the video, all of those links. And when you go to our link for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop right here, this blue hyperlink, you click on that and it brings you to their website. And same thing, it puts a little cookie on your computer. It doesn't actually take you to the product. So you would just go to the search bar and type in Cuties or Cuties 2 or whatever you're looking for our project, and see right there is our July kit that we're going to be starting soon. So this video just shows you how to find those links that are underneath every video. I hope this helps.